Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share my routine makeup. So let's get started. First of all, I am going to use this Pixy Glow Mist. It's now these days it's my favorite mist. So it smells really good. Okay, after you can use any BB cream you have, and I'm taking this in this kind of makeup tray. 2 pump is enough, and then I am going to use this Covergirl foundation. You can use any routine foundation which you used, and then I will add a little bit. I have then you can add some CC cream in it because it gives very nice coverage to your foundation. Now I am going to apply this with my Real Technique it's wet sponge. Okay, and I mix it, then I am going to apply it. It saves your time also, and see, its coverage is very good, and it blends very well because okay, then I use my concealer. Here I am using this Essence Mash to Cover, and it is limited edition. I don't know about it, but you can use any concealer you like it. I like this concealer on my daily basis. And now I am going to blend this this is Fit Me. I am using very affordable and very good. This is Wet n Wild pencil, and can you see the condition? I'm using it so much. So excuse me for this because I'm using it too much. Daily basis, because for the time saving, I am not going to use eyeshadow on my daily routine, but today I am going to use it because of the video. And if you want to see how I do, I use this ELF Rose Gold Edition palette. It's my very favorite. Can you see this darker one shade? It gives little shape to your eyeliner. It's Urban Decay 24/7 pencil, and this is my all-time favorite. It is black and waterproof, so I really like it in my corner of my waterline. I don't use the whole eyes because of the time. In the morning, every time I have no time to do winged eyeliner or something like that. I'm not very perfect in winged eyeliner, but this makeup look definitely gives some dimension, okay? But and after that I am going to use this Essence Lash Princess Mascara. This is false lash effect mascara, and I only use it on my upper lash line. I don't use in lower lash line on my daily routine. I don't know, it will smudge or something. I don't want to take any kind of risk. After that I am using this Lychee plus Gold. It's from Seraphine Botanicals, and it's very natural. It comes in my Ipsy subscription box. It's a blush and it's a very nice shade. I really love this in these days, and I'm use it very much. It's very natural, and in daylight it gives you very natural glow. You can see that, see, it gives very healthy and natural glow, so I really like it. And after that, to use this Tartiest gel, because this gel makes your eyebrows in place, so I really like it. And after that, to give little highlight from Essence Pure Nude. It's very natural highlighter, and I really like it on my daily routine. See, it gives you very natural glow. It's like you are very healthy and shiny skin. My daily routine in the morning, I never use the contouring product for my nose because it looks really unnatural on daylight. So it's totally preferable. I'm just sharing my style of doing makeup, and if you like something different, you can comment and share with me. I'm really happy to hear from you and your thoughts about my makeup. Now I'm going to use this Essence lip liner. It's in Honey Berry number 15. It's my favorite lip liner. It's very creamy and very affordable. Now I am going to use the ELF lipstick. It's moisturizing lipstick and it's in color pink. Actually in Canada it's very harsh, so my lips become so much dry. I always prefer to use lip gloss, but in this video I am not going to use the lip gloss because you cannot see my real lipstick color. So this is my really favorite from ELF, and this is my very routine lipstick. It's very good, very moisturizing, and I love this lipstick so much. This is my whole look for my daily routine makeup. I hope you like my video, and if you like my video, what to do? Give thumbs up, do comments, subscribe my channel, and share this my video to your friends if they want to do simple quick makeup in 5 minutes. Yes, it is 5 minutes makeup. Thank you for watching. I hope you will subscribe my channel till my next video. Bye.